Hi, I'm Natalia from SendPulse. In this video, I'll walk you through the SendPulse CRM system. To get started, go to the welcome page of your SendPulse account. Here you'll see all available tools and services. Just select the tool you want to use from the list and you'll jump straight to that section. Now let's go to the main CRM system dashboard. Here you'll find all the pipelines you've created in your SendPulse account. You can also add deals, create tasks, build new pipelines, add boards, and access the general CRM settings. The dashboard allows you to view your performance data for today, yesterday, last week, month, or last 3 months. You can also set a custom date range to analyze activity over any time frame you choose. You'll see the number of active deals, closed deals, active deal amount, and the number of new contacts added to your CRM system. Plus, you can check which team members are assigned to which deals, view recent tasks, and see your newly created deals. Let's move to pipeline settings. You can drag and drop pipelines to rearrange them. Click any pipeline to access its settings and see what options are available. In the general settings, you can update your pipeline name, change its color, assign a team member to it, select its currency, and set up deal automation based on payment status. If you've connected a payment system to SendPulse, you can automate how deals move through stages based on payment status. For example, when a customer makes a payment, their deal will automatically appear in the corresponding stage. If their payment is successful, the deal moves to the successful payment stage. If the payment fails, it goes to the unsuccessful payment stage. Once you've made all necessary changes, click Save. You can also create custom fields for your pipelines. On top of that, you can add tabs and rearrange, delete, or edit them if you want to. Let's go over existing stages and see how to create new ones. Every deal in your CRM system is created within a specific pipeline stage. In the SendPulse CRM system, everything revolves around three main elements: pipelines, deals, and contacts. Within one pipeline, you can create as many stages as you need and easily move deals from one stage to another. You can assign contacts to your deals and quickly switch between a deal and its contact. Plus, if you click the contact card, you'll be redirected to a deal associated with this contact. Let's go through the pipeline stages in more detail. There are three stages by default, including new, in progress, and pending approval. You can rename any of them. To do this, click the three dots next to a stage name and select Edit. Here you can also change its color and adjust other settings. Don't forget to save your changes. You can also create new stages or delete those you don't need. And if you're in a hurry, you can create a quick deal. Just enter a deal name, add a contact, and set a payment currency and amount, let's say 100. Once you create your deal, you can open it to view all related contact details. In a contact card, you'll see your communication history, any attached documents, and even document templates. If you've set up dynamic variables, they'll be automatically filled in with the contact's data. You can also view all deals associated with this contact and go to any of them with a click. On top of that, you can check if the contact has any tasks and add a task for your team member and add your prompt. You can also add a parent task and type in its description. You can add files and tags, set your task due date, and add reminders. Click Add Task to save it. Once you do that, your task will appear in the task list right away. Next, you can explore your client's purchase history and payment details. You can view the products a client has purchased. Check if they made any payments and see the status of every transaction. You'll get a breakdown of the amount, product name, payment status, and purchase date. If a client paid outside of your linked payment system, you can manually accept this payment by clicking Accept. You can also create your payment link. Select your payment link type. It can be a custom payment or one tied to a specific course. Add your payment description if needed, then click Create to save it. Once it's created, you'll see your payment link on the screen. Copy it or delete it anytime if you no longer need it. If you've connected the telephony integration, you can view calls made with your client. Go to the Courses tab to check what courses your client is enrolled in and track their activity. You'll see when they accessed your course, their progress, rating, and enrollment date. You can also update your client card with tags, phone numbers, or a messaging platform. If you've communicated with this client through a messaging app, you can open the chat directly from your contacts page. After reviewing your deal statistics, you can advance it to the next page. Now let's go over how to manage contacts in your CRM system. In the Contacts tab, you can export your contacts list as an Excel or CSV file or add it to your mailing list. It is also a good idea to apply filters. You can even save them for later use. You can filter by the last time you communicated with your client, let's say within the last 90, 30, or 7 days. You can also search by name or other variables, or filter contacts by tags or company. Click a contact name to view your conversation history in the linked messaging app. You can click Open Chat to go straight to your conversation in the chatbot. Additionally, your chat opens in the right panel, where you can also leave your notes. If you have Gmail integration enabled, you can send emails directly from the contact card. You can also leave internal notes visible to you and your teammates. Now, let's move on to creating a company in your CRM system. To add a new company, click Company and select Add Company. You can specify your company name, email address, phone number, select a messaging app, and add a link. You can also add a company's annual revenue amount to provide information about its financial health. You can also link multiple contacts to this company in the Company Employees section. Later, when managing communication, you can use filters to quickly find the company you're looking for. If you want to upload the contact list, click Import and upload your file. Then add data you want to save and assign tags. You can also identify duplicates using the Merge Duplicates feature. Search for duplicates by name, email, or phone number. It's best to filter by one of these parameters at a time. You can also filter by tags. If you have your SendPulse built online course, you can view blocked students in your contact list. Finally, you can access your pipeline settings to make any necessary adjustments. You can also access contact settings to manage your general preferences. In the General Settings tab, you can assign a team member to automatically edit contacts. You can also customize which fields appear in deals and contact cards, edit existing tags, and add new ones. Additionally, you can choose which tabs to display in a contact card, including general communication history, documents, deals, tasks, products, payments, calls, and courses. For example, if you're not using telephony, you can simply disable the Calls tab. Now, let's move on to additional settings like Gmail integration. You can connect your Gmail inbox to your SendPulse CRM system and send emails to clients directly from a deal. Here is how the integration works. To connect your inbox, select this checkbox to confirm you've read and accepted the terms. Then log into your Gmail account. Next, let's explore the e-commerce tab. Here you can view payments made through SendPulse and track your payment statistics over a specific time frame. You can view every payment by client, open their contact card, and navigate to any related deals. Use filters to search payments by date range, custom fields, or other client details. If you use SendPulse's website builder, you can also create products under the e-commerce tab and save them as templates. Let's walk through how to create a product. Click Add Product and choose whether it's a physical or digital item. Then specify your product details, including its name and description. You can select from two options, a short or a full description. You can upload images, set a price, and add an old price if you're running a promotion. Add an SKU, specify your product available quantity, and choose the measurement unit for the stock. You can also assign your product to a category and add additional attributes based on your product type. There are also fields for sales settings and other technical parameters. Once you fill in all the required information, click Add to save your product. Let's take a look at an added product. We have a digital product template created earlier. You can see product images, price, SKU, stock quantity, category, and key properties, all clearly displayed. You can organize your products by category and use filters to sort or search based on various properties, including product name, type, or any custom field you've added. Let's take a look at the SendPulse automation features. From your CRM pipeline tab, you can access the automation section directly. Click the pipeline flows icon to view existing flows, including those created in the CRM system. Now let's go to the automation builder. Let's go over the main CRM triggers you can use to launch your automated flow. The first one is the new deal trigger. A deal stage update triggers a flow when a customer makes a payment through the SendPulse tool. The deal status might be updated from new to pending approval. You can automatically send a reminder email to your customer or assign a task to your team member to follow up. Deal field update triggers a flow when a deal field value changes and you need to contact your client. Overdue deal date triggers a flow when a deal's due date arrives. New contact. Use this trigger to start nurturing new leads as soon as they are added. Other useful triggers include the contact special date, tag assignment, variable update, new task or task stage update triggers. Besides CRM events, you can also implement other SendPulse platform events as triggers. After selecting the trigger, you can build your automated flow. Let's set up a deal stage update, automated flow. Select your pipeline, choose the relevant stages, and proceed to create your automated flow. You can add a condition to filter your contacts, for instance, by day of the week. Click Save and apply your changes. Then you can send your email. Let's do it right away. To do this, add your email subject line and select a pre-designed email template. Next, drag in the action element to create a task for your team member. Let's go over the available CRM actions, which include create a deal, create a contact, update deal stage, create a task. You can also add the following actions. Send email to your address, send a webhook. If you run your e-learning courses, you also have access to course-related actions. Once you have added the actions you need, you can insert other elements, including the pause element. If you want to track engagement, add the condition element after the email to check whether the client has received, opened, or clicked your message. You can also explore available CRM trigger conditions. Specifically, you can set a condition to check whether a deal stage has been updated from all to paid within your pipeline. If your deal hasn't reached the paid stage, you can send a follow-up email to remind your customer to complete their payment. Don't forget to save your automated flow. Once you've created, saved, and launched your flow, you can track its performance. You can apply filters and also check metrics for every element in your flow. In your SendPulse CRM system, you have access to certain integration options. First, you can link your Gmail inbox to manage your email conversations, automate data collection, and receive updates about client interactions within your CRM system. Additionally, you can track payments and assign them to specific team members. This integration is available on the standard pricing plan and higher, as well as during the free trial. Let's also explore telephony integration. Currently, SendPulse supports Ringestat, Unitalk, and Binatel options. To discover more available integrations, go to the app directory in the lower left corner of your screen. Here you can browse all the integrations supported by SendPulse and filter them by category. The SendPulse CRM system offers integrations with Ringestat, Calendly, Google Calendar, Binatel, Unitalk, and more. Let's connect the Binatel integration. To set it up, click the Binatel integration and type in the following credentials, including secret, key, company ID, WebSocket key, and WebSocket secret. Next, choose a team member who will be assigned to your incoming contacts and specify a default name for new contacts. Next, add text to help organize new contacts. Once everything is set, click Connect. To complete the setup, install the Binatel plugin for Google Chrome. Once installed, your integration will be ready for use. You can connect other integrations the same way. Just click the one you need and you'll be redirected to a step-by-step guide explaining how to install and connect it to your SendPulse account. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We are available 24/7. In your SendPulse account, you can find the live chat button. Click it to start a chat with our support team. Type in your message, and we will assist you right away. Or, if you prefer, you can explore our self help resources to find answers on your own.